shown ourselves what we can achieve when we lead.
I think it's something our people have always wanted.
It's just in our DNA.
It needs to be talked about.
Live our values, speak our reo. We are here, we are strong.
You have to be confident, you have to be decisive.
I feel like I am exactly where I should be.
O he rongoa tēnei mō, te kita i te iwi Māori e whakakotahi mai a mō tātou anō.
It's awe-inspiring, that's what it's all about, all of us whānau coming together as one.
Wow! No, that's crazy.
The future is bright. Evolution of the revolution.
Get back in your office tomorrow and close that Tāniko Valley down.
Thank you.